Daudi, and I'm here. Leo ni leo, leo ni leo. Kila mtu akona dream yake, kila mtu akona goal yake. Ukweli wa mambo ni things will change. Things will change. And just because you're in a new season, just because you're in a new season, you have new people, new relationship, new places, does not mean because everything is new, does not mean hautapitia challenges. There will be challenges huko mbele mbele. We all have dreams. We all have a vision. Everything is just a beginning. But I tell you something. So I boast. So I boast. Alafu anze kusema, da yangu itakaa hivi, da yangu itakaa ABCD, ABCD. Don't boast. Because it's said that tomorrow is not guaranteed. People will be like, Devi, are you okay? Me, I'm okay. Me niko fit. Me niko fit. I'm just doing my job. And my job here is to speak to you. To bonga life. To bonga life. Don't tell me how your future is going to be. I already know your future. I already know your future. Nikwambia najuaje? Or let me say it this way. Someone can know your future. He or she can know your future. You want to know how he or she can know? Show them your circles. Show them where you go. Show them what you do. Already they know your future. Your future haina interest na kama uko na goal ama huna goal. But still it's good to have a goal. It's good to have a dream. That's good. That's okay. That's okay. How do you approach life? How do you perceive situation? How do you take things? How do you start your day? How do you sleep? What do you eat? Who are the people do you associate in your life? That's what your future is interested with. The future you is not interested. And niko na ideas, niko na goals. Sikatai. Hadi naweza kufanisha hii kwe. No problem, kuna goals. Sikatai. But future yako inaona the decisions that you make. Who you are today is a reflection of the decision that you made kitambo. But for you to sit down here and start saying that I am entitled to everything, you have made a big mistake. Time is running. Tutaendelea ku age. But you have to understand this. It's not about kama kuna baraka ama hakuna baraka kwa maisha yako. It's about, do I have the mindset ya kusema hata kama nikipitia matope mingi kwa hii mtaa, upande ingine na sense lack. It's all about the mindset. It's all about hata kama kuna baraka, hata kama kuna baraka. That's not the key. But kuna ile psyche ya kusema a day will come. Mimi sijui story yako, haujui story yangu. But you can never run away from challenges. Wengi sana wamededi kwa hii mtaa, not because they lack knowledge. They can be very knowledgeable. You can be very knowledgeable. That's not enough. What is enough for you to live? Do you have lower expectations? Ama unakuanga na ile huge expectations, big hopes. Ukweli ni noma, things will change. Things will change. You're in a new season. Yes, you're in a new season. After that, form ni gani? There will be good moments. In that season, there will be good moments. In that chapter, there will be bad moments. You're going to either make the right decision or you're going to make the wrong decisions. It's going to happen. A situation will come whereby what you used to do, that you fit into it, they'll reach a point whereby you're going to come out of that situation. And coming out of that situation, it's very, very painful. Hata utaishi ile state utasema, this is not real. Obviously, you're going to go through a lot. But for anybody to come and say, happy ending, there's no happy ending. Maisha si movie, maisha si game, but elewa tu hivi, you only live once. It's all about taking your life seriously. And it's the gospel truth. So don't be surprised you did A, B, C, D for him or her. But still, anatarajia beba mizigo yako. Beba mizigo yako. It's okay. You're going to experience loss. That's okay. That's life. The future you can see how you perceive life, how you approach life, how you approach people. Someone can tell your future. Someone already knows your future. He or she knows your future. Don't call him or her a prophet. Amekucheki. Na anaweza kuwa ametengeneza probability, na hizo probabilities amekutengenezea. Na ukisikia anaongea na anakujengea hii sura wala anaongea na wewe, tafadhali msikize. Anaweza kuwa anakutengeneza ka probability, na hiyo probability amekutengenezea inaweza come to reality. Not because he or she is a prophet. Already ameshajua future yako. Because already he or she has seen the decision that you're making. Already he or she has seen the kind of people you're interacting with. I'm not saying they're bad people, but in their story, hata kama story yao ina make sense, but where do you fit in their story? Wewe ni mfala kwa hiyo story ama wewe ni beast wa maana kwa hiyo story? Depending on what you're going to experience. What is killing society is when they have huge expectation. And when you have huge expectation, hautaishi. But when you have lower expectations, ndio utaishi. I'm just keeping it real. Future yako haina interest na kama uko na goals ama una goals. How do you start your day? Your future can dictate on that. Uko na goals, sikatai. But what I'm saying, take your life seriously. There will be good moments, there will be bad moments. But what really matters, that uko na mindset ya kusema, naweza pitia unoma mingi kwa hii mtaa, but upande ingine ni peace. Once again, usidedi. Kuna mtu anangojea kusikia story yako. Peace.